Tonight, the family of a man who died inside the Cuyahoga County Jail says it wants justice.
Today, Nicholas Colbert's family filed a wrongful death lawsuit for the father of four's death. 5 on your side investigator Scott Knoll now with more outside the Justice Center.
Nicholas Colbert was the 9th inmate to die in 11 months when he hanged himself here inside the jail, a death that came nearly 6 months after that damning U.S. Marshals report on conditions here inside the county lockup. When Nicholas Colbert was arrested and booked into jail, his mother hoped it was a chance for her son to get clean.
I chose to leave him there and not bail him out because I thought he would be safe from using and overdosing, and I lost him.
Less than 24 hours after being booked into the Cuyahoga County Jail on a drug possession charge, Colbert was found in his cell, a string from a sweatshirt tied to his bunk wrapped around his neck. The attorney representing Colbert's family says the 36-year-old told jail employees he was despondent and recently attempted suicide.
That should have set off all sorts of bells and whistles in terms of getting him segregated to a mental health pod, getting him counseling, getting him treatment. Instead, he was allowed to remove the cord from his hoodie and hang on to it and to tie it around his waist as if it was a belt and walk around in the jail pod area.
And jail records show Colbert went unchecked by jailers for 2 hours. This despite a string of inmate deaths and a U.S. Marshals report months earlier detailing problems inside the facility.
On Monday, it'll be 2 years since my brother passed away, and we're still trying to figure out how this happened or how they could have let it happen.
The family hoping their lawsuit not only brings what they call justice for this father of 4, but also spares the next family from their pain.
It shouldn't even have happened the first times, and for it to happen that many times, you know, they need to be held accountable for what happened, and really it shouldn't happen to people after this.
My son should have walked out of that jail, and I never saw my son again alive.
A Cuyahoga County spokesperson says the county has not received a copy of the lawsuit yet, but once they do, she says the county's legal department will review it. In Cleveland, I'm 5 on your side investigator Scott Knoll.